Hi, my name is Dr. Meghan Crute, and I'm a board-certified dermatologist with CallonDoc. Today I wanted to discuss some outdoor activities since it's summertime and everyone wants to get out and be active. There's definitely a few things that we want people to keep in mind to make sure your skin stays as healthy as possible. It is poison ivy season, and there are multiple plants similar to poison ivy that can cause rashes on the skin after you come in contact with them. It's really the oils that are in the plant that cause the allergic rash, and if it brushes on your skin, that rash can show up anywhere from a few hours to a few days after you come in contact with it. So important things are to just be on the lookout for plants that look suspicious for being poison ivy. And ideally, if you're going to be out working in the yard or hiking in areas where you're more likely to come in contact with these types of plants, it's best to cover as much of your skin as you can with long pants, socks that you can pull over the pants, longer sleeves, and make sure you're using gardening gloves or other protective equipment if you are actively removing weeds or other plants from any areas. The oils can be washed off the skin, so the sooner you can wash with soap and water after any possible exposure, the lower your chance of developing a rash. Also, that oil can stay on any clothing for a long time, so you need to launder any clothing or equipment that comes in contact with those oils so that you don't re-expose yourself anytime you use either that equipment, those gloves, or that clothing again. If you do develop a rash, please touch base with your dermatologist, as there are definitely treatments that can make you a lot less miserable very quickly.